Hey everyone, and happy holidays. It's that magical time of the year again, where we gather with loved ones, share joy, and create unforgettable memories. But this year we're adding a modern twist to our festive traditions. Christmas is almost here, and guess what? We're not just talking about the usual decorations and festivities. We're bringing in the latest tech to make this holiday season even more special and exciting. It's time to deck the halls with tech. Imagine transforming your home into a winter wonderland with just a few taps on your smartphone or a simple voice command. Yep, we're talking about making Christmas extra special with cool gadgets and gizmos. From smart lights that sync with your favorite holiday tunes to automated decorations that bring a touch of magic to every corner of your home. No more tangled lights or climbing ladders. With smart tech, you can say goodbye to the hassles of traditional decorating. Imagine setting up your entire Christmas display without breaking a sweat. This year, we're having a smart Christmas, where tech makes everything easier and more fun. Picture this. You walk into your living room, and with a simple voice command, your Christmas tree lights up, the fireplace starts crackling, and your favorite holiday music begins to play. Imagine, you walk in, say a few words, and boom! Your home transforms into a festive paradise. It's like having your very own holiday magic at your fingertips. Your tree lights up, the fireplace starts crackling, and Christmas music fills the air. All thanks to the power of modern technology. And the best part? You can customize everything to suit your style and preferences. That's the power of tech. And we're just getting started. From smart ornaments that change colors to match your mood to virtual reality experiences that transport you to a snowy wonderland, the possibilities are endless. Get ready for a super fun, tech-filled Christmas. Embrace the future of holiday celebrations and make this season one to remember. So, gather your gadgets, rally your family, and let's make this the most magical, tech-savvy Christmas ever. First up, Christmas lights. Smart lights have changed everything. Forget tangled wires and broken bulbs. With smart LEDs, you control the colors, brightness, and even make awesome light shows, all from your phone or by just talking. But wait, there's more. Imagine a wreath that says Merry Christmas when people walk by, or a fake fireplace on your wall with crackling sounds. From ornaments that play music to advent calendars with digital surprises, anything is possible. And guess what? Many of these are energy savers, so you save money and help the planet. That's a win-win. Need a gift for the techie in your life? Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just because, finding the perfect tech gift can be a challenge. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Forget the usual socks and jumpers that end up in the back of the closet. This year, let's get something that will truly impress. Imagine their face lighting up when they unwrap a gift that's not only cool but also incredibly useful. How about VR goggles that transport them to a snowy wonderland? Picture them having a virtual snowball fight right in the comfort of their living room, surrounded by festive decorations. It's an experience that blends the magic of the holidays with cutting-edge technology. Or consider a drone with a high-definition camera. It's perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots of family gatherings, making every moment memorable. Imagine the joy of unboxing a drone next to the Christmas tree and immediately taking it for a spin. For the fitness enthusiasts, a smartwatch is a fantastic choice. It not only tracks their workouts but also keeps them connected with notifications and health metrics. Picture them using their new smartwatch while exercising near the Christmas tree, staying fit and festive. And let's not forget the movie buffs. A portable projector can turn any room into a cozy home cinema. Imagine the family gathered around watching their favorite holiday movies projected on the wall, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. For the gamers in your life, a new console or gaming laptop is a dream come true. Picture the excitement as they unbox their new gaming gear next to the Christmas tree, ready to dive into their favorite games with enhanced graphics and performance. The key is to pick something they love, something that makes them say, "Wow, you shouldn't have, but I'm so glad you did." Whether it's a high-tech gadget or an innovative piece of tech, the right gift can make this holiday season unforgettable. So go ahead, prepare to be amazed, and make this year the best one yet with the perfect tech gift. Christmas means lots of food, but cooking can be stressful. Luckily, tech can help. Smart appliances are amazing for holiday meals. Imagine an oven that preheats when you tell it to, or a fridge that gives you recipes based on what's inside. Need help with the turkey? Smart thermometers check the temperature and tell you when it's perfect. And for bakers, stand mixers with scales and timers make Christmas cookies and cakes super easy. So use tech in the kitchen and spend less time cooking and more time with family. Let's be honest, Christmas shopping can be a pain. Crowded shops, long lines, heavy bags, no thanks. Online shopping is here to rescue you. With a few clicks you can buy all your gifts from home, avoiding the crowds. And guess what? Many shops offer free or cheap shipping during Christmas. Plus you can track your packages so you know your gifts will arrive on time. So skip the mall stress and shop online. Your feet will thank you. What's Christmas without festive fun? From carols to holiday movies, tech makes it easy to create the perfect Christmas vibe. Smart speakers are a must-have. Just ask, and they'll play your favorite Christmas music, festive radio, or even tell you a Christmas story. And for movie night, a projector turns any wall into a big screen. Get cozy with your family and watch your favorite Christmas films. Don't forget social media and video calls to connect with friends and family far away. Share greetings, virtual hugs, and make memories, all thanks to tech. Christmas is about being together, and tech helps us connect with loved ones who are far away. In today's world, technology has become an essential part of our lives, especially during the holiday season. It allows us to bridge the gap between distances and bring our loved ones closer even if they are miles apart. Whether it's through video calls, social media, or instant messaging, we have countless ways to stay connected and share the joy of Christmas with those who matter most to us. Video calls are amazing for staying in touch. They allow us to see the faces of our family and friends, hear their voices, and share moments in real time. It's almost like being in the same room with them. The laughter, the smiles, and the warmth of their presence can be felt through the screen, making the distance seem a little less daunting. With just a few clicks, we can connect with loved ones across the globe and make them a part of our holiday celebrations. Imagine having a virtual Christmas dinner with family across the globe. You can set up your dining table with festive decorations, prepare your favorite holiday dishes, and enjoy a meal together, even if you're miles apart. Everyone can share stories, laugh, and create new memories, just like you would if you were all gathered around the same table. It's a wonderful way to keep the tradition alive and make everyone feel included, no matter where they are. Or opening gifts together on a video call. The excitement of unwrapping presents and seeing the joy on each other's faces is a magical experience. You can share the moment with your loved ones, watch their reactions, and feel the happiness that comes with giving and receiving gifts. It's a beautiful way to stay connected and make the holiday season special, even if you can't be there in person. Tech helps us feel closer to the people we care about, no matter how far apart we are. It provides us with the tools to maintain our relationships and stay involved in each other's lives. From video calls to instant messaging, we can share our thoughts, feelings, and experiences with those who matter most to us. It's a way to show that we care and that we are thinking of them, even if we can't be there in person. And social media is great for spreading holiday cheer. Sharing photos, sending messages, and posting updates about your holiday celebrations can help you stay connected with your friends and family. You can share your festive moments, see what others are up to, and feel a sense of community even if you're not physically together. It's a wonderful way to stay in touch and keep the holiday spirit alive. Chatting online helps us feel connected during Christmas. Whether it's through social media, instant messaging, or video calls, we can stay in touch with our loved ones and share our holiday experiences. It's a way to keep the conversation going, share our thoughts and feelings, and stay involved in each other's lives. It's a reminder that we are not alone and that we have people who care about us, even if they are far away. So, even if you can't be together in person, tech helps you share the Christmas spirit. It allows you to stay connected, share your festive moments, and make the holiday season special, no matter where you are. It's a way to show that you care, that you are thinking of your loved ones, and that you are celebrating together, even if you are miles apart. This holiday season, let technology bring you closer to the people you care about and help you create new memories that will last a lifetime. While we're having fun, it's important to stay safe during Christmas. Tech can help protect our homes and families. Smart home security systems with motion sensors, cameras, and smart doorbells keep an eye on things and warn you if anything's wrong. Smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors keep you safe from fire hazards. And if you're traveling, smart plugs can turn your lights on and off, making it look like someone's home. A little bit of tech safety can make your Christmas much safer. So, there you have it. From smart decorations to gadgets that make things easier, tech can change how we celebrate Christmas. By using these cool inventions, we can save time and energy and focus on what's important. Spending time with loved ones and making happy memories. Remember, tech should make Christmas better, not take away from it. So, use it wisely, enjoy the convenience, and have a very merry tech-filled Christmas. This holiday season, let's celebrate responsibly. By saving money and making eco-conscious choices, we can all contribute to a healthier planet. Every action counts. Let's work together to build a sustainable future. Let's help this video reach 1,000 likes. Subscribe to Elle's Sprouting Hub to join the community and learn more.